Imagine a world where diamonds are not just unearthed, but created. This realm isn't a figment of science fiction, but a sparkling reality made possible through the marvels of modern science. In the heart of towering factories, diamonds are born, not from the deep recesses of the earth, but from meticulous human ingenuity. Synthetic diamonds, often termed lab-grown or cultured diamonds, share an identical chemical composition and physical properties with their natural counterparts. These gems are not fakes, they're bona fide diamonds, crafted with precision. The motivation for creating diamonds in such a controlled environment stems from several compelling reasons. Firstly, it's cost-effective, making the allure of diamonds accessible to more people. Secondly, synthetic diamonds offer an ethical alternative to the often controversial mining processes. Lastly, manufacturing diamonds ensures a consistent and reliable supply, unswayed by the natural scarcities or geopolitical tensions that can affect gemstone markets. Now step into the innovative world of diamond factories, where brilliance is engineered. Nature forges diamonds under immense pressure and heat deep within the earth. These glittering crystals begin their life as mere carbon atoms buried over 100 miles underground. Over billions of years, these atoms undergo a transformation, driven by extreme conditions. Temperatures soaring above 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit and pressures exceeding 50,000 times Earth's atmosphere. It is here, in this unforgiving environment, that diamonds are born, their atoms bonding in unique ways to create the hardest natural material known to man. As we marvel at this natural phenomenon, it's fascinating to consider that these age-old processes can be mimicked by human ingenuity. In modern laboratories, scientists and engineers harness the principles of high pressure and high temperature to craft diamonds. This method isn't just about replicating what nature does, it's about mastering it, speeding up the diamond-making process dramatically. With the right conditions, what takes nature centuries can be achieved in a factory within weeks. One of the primary methods to synthesize diamonds is known as high-pressure, high-temperature, or HPHT. In the fascinating world of diamond creation, the HPHT method stands out for its ability to mimic the natural forces that form diamonds deep within the earth. Here's a closer look at how this remarkable process unfolds. The journey begins with a small diamond seed. This seed is critical, as it acts as a blueprint for the diamond's lattice structure. It is carefully placed in a container with a form of pure carbon, typically graphite. Graphite is preferred because of its ability to transform under the right conditions. Now, this is where the magic happens. The container is placed inside one of the giants of the diamond-making world, a specialized press. There are several types of these presses, but the most common are the belt press, the cubic press, and the split-sphere bars press. Each of these machines is capable of exerting monumental pressures, closely replicating the intense conditions found deep within the earth where natural diamonds form. As the temperature inside the press climbs above 2,000 degrees Celsius and the pressure reaches incredibly high levels, the graphite begins its transformation. Under these extreme conditions, the carbon atoms are forced to rearrange and bond in the crystalline form of the diamond seed, gradually growing in size. This process is not a quick one. It can take several weeks for the diamond to fully develop, depending on its desired size and the specifics of the machinery and conditions. Through HPHT, raw carbon metamorphoses into beautiful, gleaming diamonds. Another fascinating technique is chemical vapor deposition, or CVD. Imagine a world where you can construct diamonds atom by atom. That's the realm of the CVD process, a marvel of modern science that turns gases into precious gems. At the heart of this method is a vacuum chamber, a place where ordinary elements transform under extraordinary conditions. Here's how it unfolds. The process begins with gases rich in carbon, such as methane. These gases are introduced into the chamber, where they meet a flurry of energy. This energy comes from microwaves or other heat sources, elevating temperatures to the heights necessary for the gases to break apart. As the molecular bonds release, carbon atoms start to free themselves from the gas. Now, the magic happens at low pressures. Unlike the high pressures of other methods, these carbon atoms slowly descend onto a carefully prepared surface known as a substrate. Think of it as a canvas, waiting for its masterpiece. Over time, these atoms accumulate, stacking layer upon meticulous layer, eventually forming a lattice structure identical to that of natural diamonds. What's particularly captivating about CVD is the control it offers over the final product. By tweaking the process's variables, scientists can influence the diamond's properties, such as its color and clarity. This precision allows for the creation of gem-grade diamonds that are not only beautiful but also customizable to an extent that nature can seldom match. CVD diamonds grow atom by atom, crafting perfection layer by layer. Creating the diamond is just the beginning. Sculpting its final form is where true artistry comes in. Once synthetic diamonds are synthesized, they are still far from the sparkling stones admired in jewelry stores. Each diamond begins its journey to brilliance as a rough, unpolished stone that must undergo a meticulous transformation. The process of cutting and polishing synthetic diamonds mirrors that of their natural counterparts. Skilled artisans, known as cutters, use advanced tools to carefully shape each stone. The goal is to enhance the diamond's optical properties, maximizing its ability to reflect and refract light. This interplay of light and crystal is what gives diamonds their mesmerizing brilliance and fire. Cutters must consider several factors, including the diamond's natural shape and the presence of any inclusions. Strategic cuts are planned to preserve as much carat weight as possible, while enhancing the stone's overall beauty and luminosity. Through precision and expertise, these artisans turn rough synthetic diamonds into masterpieces of light and sparkle. Each cut is a calculated stroke of art, transforming rough stones into dazzling jewels. Synthetic diamonds offer more than just beauty. These marvels of modern science are not only visually stunning, but also bring forth a host of benefits that are reshaping the diamond industry. The creation of diamonds in a factory setting addresses several critical issues faced by the traditional diamond mining sector. First and foremost, ethical considerations are at the forefront of the shift towards synthetic diamonds. Factory-made diamonds ensure that no human rights are compromised and labor conditions are controlled and fair. This is a significant relief in an industry long shadowed by conflicts and exploitation. Additionally, the environmental impact of diamond mining is substantial, involving extensive land disruption and resource usage. Synthetic diamonds minimize this impact, requiring less energy and producing fewer emissions, thus preserving natural landscapes and biodiversity. Affordability is another key advantage. The controlled environment of a factory reduces the variables that typically drive up the cost of natural diamonds, making these gems more accessible to a broader audience. As the market increasingly accepts synthetic diamonds, we can anticipate continuous improvements in manufacturing technologies, making the process even more efficient and environmentally friendly. As we embrace technology, the sparkle of diamonds becomes both accessible and sustainable.